dripping Saint Laurent, she got the perfect face. Thumbing through the deck of 52 and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions, she must.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. Welcome to another college vlog where I share the life of an SRCC student. Firstly, thank you so much for showing all the love and support on my college vlogs, and I hope you guys will continue to do so. In case you haven't watched them, I'll put the playlist here. Definitely check it out. And let's get right into the vlog. First class of the day. So the first class is not happening and I have some extra time, so I will catch you later. So I have classes of only 2 subjects today, which is great, but financial accounting has 2 classes continuously. There's a 15 minutes break right now, so I will have breakfast. Classes for the day are done and I will take a shower and be right back. And I'm ready. In case you're finding my voice different, I have a cold, so don't mind that. But anyway, the plan for today is that the societies ka orientation has actually started, and aaj bhi 2 societies ka orientation is there. One is the D Street Society and the other one is most probably the Economic Society. So yeah, and yesterday was the Finance and Investment Selka Society. Apart from that, I have to film a video and I'm thinking to do my nails because it's been a while. And bas, that's it for today. And also thank you to everyone who suggested names in the previous video. I liked a few of them, but I'm still deciding which is the perfect one, and obviously it can't be too long, so maybe I'll just shortlist a few and then put up a poll on my community post asking which one you guys love the most. It's around 2 PM right now and I think I'm gonna have lunch first and then get started with today's to-do list. So a little change in plans. I will do my nails first and I'm also watching YouTube side by side. It was multitasking, you know. So this is the design I'm going for. It's pretty and easy to do. Here are all the colors, so I'll get started. So it's 3:45 right now and it's time for D Street Society ka orientation, so I'm gonna join in for that. So it's around 7 and finally Economic Society ka orientation is over, and meanwhile my nails are done as well. It's like a very summery vibe, all the pastel and bright colors, really cool. Sab societies ke forms aana shuru ho gaye for the recruitment process and the deadlines are in the first week of December. So I have to start working on that as well. In fact, the whole recruitment process is actually very extensive. Like they have a lot of rounds. Pehle application form for GD, then there's a creative task, and there's a personal interview. But yes, let's hope for the best and I will start working on those forms. So I just came back home and I've decided to order dinner for my mom and I. So I'm sure you guys remember that I tried Mojo Pizza and I really liked it and have been ordering from there quite often. And then I got to know about the Eat Club app and I thought I should definitely share it with you guys as well because they have some crazy discounts for their members for a lot of brands. Let me show you. So today I'm craving some good Indian food and I'm gonna order from Box 8. I'll order a dal makhani meal as well as a paneer tikka masala meal. Okay, this Eat Club app is amazing. I'm getting all these meals for such low prices. In fact, I order Mojo Pizza from the Eat Club app as well and I have been getting flat 30% off, all thanks to my Eat Club membership. In fact, the Eat Club app is so convenient. I don't need to have 10 different apps for every brand to fulfill my craving. I'm actually pleasantly surprised because I thought that they're giving 30% off, so they'll recover that using delivery fee, but they have absolutely no hidden terms and conditions, no delivery fee and no search fees as well. How cool is that? In fact, they have super fast delivery as well, so I'm sure the food will be here any minute. And my food is here. I can't wait to dig right into this. And I think you guys should also download the Eat Club app because you get flat 30% off on every single order. And I totally love their packaging. Oh, by the way, these meal boxes are totally customizable. You can choose which sweet you want. If you want rice or you want parathas, you can choose it according to your preference. Looks so tempting. Yum, this is so good. खाना तो हो गया, अब कुछ मीठा हो जाए. So मेरा तो आज का खाना हो गया है. I'm literally so full. बहुत मस्त था. So what are you guys waiting for? तुम भी जाओ and order your favorite meal from Eat Club. If you're from Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Delhi NCR or Hyderabad, you definitely have to check out Eat Club as it gives you super savings on super brands and you can thank me later. Now you guys let me know in the comment section what I should order from Eat Club next. Here's my referral code. Go generate yours too and share it with your friends and family. The first month of Eat Club membership is absolutely free. The link is in the description. Definitely check out the Eat Club app. I'm sure you're going to love it.
The next day.
Hey guys, it's a new day, but actually it's quite similar to yesterday because आज भी I have two classes. One is already done and दूसरी 1:30 को है. And after that दो societies का orientation आज है. So I will attend that as well. Then I had to film the video yesterday which I didn't do, so I will do that today. And yeah, basically that's it. I have to start working on the forms of different societies and I also need to work on a competition by 180 Degrees Consulting. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff to do. Now I realize there are so many deadlines. There's so much to do now. It was just classes, but now there's new stuff to do as well, so it's quite different and overwhelming, but still it's fun and I will keep you all updated and take you through the entire process of doing all of these things. So lunch is all done and currently I was working on the application forms of the societies and it's literally tougher than I thought. Matlab, like there are so many intriguing questions. They really want you to think and put in real effort and write down answers. ऐसे 50 to 100 to 200 words के बीच में answers लिखने हैं. मतलब it's literally like कि जितना easy DU में आना है कि DU में तो ठीक है marks ही लेके you just have to get in somehow. But then societies में तो you have to put in like triple the effort to think about good and obviously realistic answers as well. तभी वो लोग eliminate कर पाएंगे लोगों को. Otherwise everyone would easily get into the society. So that's what I'm working on. अभी मैंने 2 answers तो form कर लिए हैं and अभी there's a lot to go. I will continue working on this. It's around 4:30 right now and in 20-25 minutes we have the orientation of the CMS Society, Computer and Mathematics Society, and they have organized a really cool thing. There's this treasure hunt that will be conducted online obviously, and also the winner will get a direct entry to the society, which is great, but बहुत जल्दी करना पड़ेगा. There are like 10 clues on different Instagram pages. You have to figure that out. I'm not completely sure कैसे होगा. They'll explain it in the orientation again, but it sounds very fun and interesting. So I'm excited to do that. They've combined it to like the map of SRCC and there are some things like there's a name, there's a short name and then a code number assigned to it. And ऐसे हमें 10 clues figure out करके 10 different Instagram pages ढूंढने हैं. And obviously the winner is the first one who finds the last clue. तो बहुत जल्दी करना पड़ेगा. Let's see how that goes. So I just got done with the treasure hunt and it was actually quite fun. मजा आया. The clues were interesting, but unfortunately I wasn't fast enough and a lot of people had already completed it, but that's okay. Now I have another orientation at 7 o'clock, so that's after half an hour. So there's like a random game going on. Yeah. And yeah, that's it for this vlog. If you've made it till here, comment these emojis. And thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Follow me on Instagram. And until next time, bye.